Hello everyone. Today we will study about the famous places in Rajasthan, which are basically the source of tourism to the state. There are basically 11 best religious places in Rajasthan. I am simply going through with their names. First is Birla Mandir. Birla Mandir is one of the major and famous religious tourist places in India, and it is in Jaipur only. Brahma Temple. Brahma Temple is situated near the Pushkar Lake. The temple is devoted to Lord Brahma, and some statues of Lord Saraswati are also seen here. Karni Mata Temple. Karni Mata Temple is situated in Bikaner, and it is exclusively situated to goddess Mata Karni, who is considered to be a epitome of goddess Durga. Eklinji Temple. Eklinji Temple is an architectural marvel situated in the vicinity of city of Udaipur and Kailashpuri, Rajasthan. Eklinji Temple is situated on the bank of Indrasagar Lake at a distance of 22 km from Udaipur. Then next temple is Galtaji Temple. Galtaji Temple is prehistorical Hindu pilgrimage site which is situated only 10 km away from the Jaipur. Then Mehendipur Balaji Temple. Mehendipur Balaji Temple is noted Hindu temple in Dausa district of Rajasthan, dedicated to one of the Hindu god Hanuman. This temple is placed to Karauli district to worship the Lord Hanuman. Ritual healing processes would be performed by the saints inside the temple. There is no entry fee to enter into the temple. Sai Dham. A visit to Sai Dham, which has been set up recently in close vicinity of Char Dham in Namchi, is visual treat as well as a great spiritual experience. Then we have Rani Sati Temple. Rani Sati Temple is situated in Rajasthan in the district of Jhunjhunu. People of Rajasthan often tells about Rani Sati as an inspiration due to the great pride and personality. She had also been called an Dadi Ji by the people. Then we have Ambika Mata Temple. Ambika Mata Temple can be seen near Udaipur, about 50 km. It is situated in the village Jagat. The temple mainly worship the goddess of Durga. Ranakpur Jain Temple. Ranakpur Jain Temple is also called as Chitrmukha Dharna Vihara. Chaturmukha Dharna Vihara. The temple is devoted in Thantka Rishabhnatha. The temple located in village of Ranakpur near Sadri town, which is situated in Pali district of Rajasthan. Then we have Dilwara Jain Temple. Dilwara Jain Temple are situated about 2.5 km from Mount Abu settlement. Rajasthan is only hill station. Rajasthan has only one hill station that is situated near the Mount Abu settlement, and it is known as Dilwara Temple. Then Rajasthan has tourism, adventure tourism also. Adventure tourism is basically a kind of tourism in India, endless, because the country has a rich diversity in terms of climate and topography. The various kinds of adventure in tourism in India are rock climbing, skiing, camel safari, paragliding, mountaineering, rafting in white water, and trekking. The various places in India where tourists can go for the adventure tourism are Badami, Kanheri caves, Manori rocks, and Kabul for rock climbing. The state Rajasthan provides a great attraction to the foreign and domestic tourists for adventure tourism in the state. Most of the tourists shows their preference for adventure activities like trekking, horse riding, and camel safaris, polo, and golf. Apart from the desert, there are numerous lakes in over state where water sports also developed in phrase of manner. The major water sports activities are yachting, canoeing, kayaking, and water sports would be launched in the collaboration with the Department of Sports. These activities will not only provide the recreation to the tourist but also helps in extending the period of stay inside the state and would generate a lot of employment opportunities for the local residents. Thank you. And in next class we will discuss about the cultural tourism and different types of tourism what Rajasthan is dealing with.